Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you how I refresh my curls. Even though I don't think there's nothing wrong with my curls how it is right now, I haven't washed these clip-ins in about 2 to 3 weeks. So this is what the hair looks like. It just gets bigger, just like your natural hair. So I took the clip-ins out. This is what it looks like, and I just wet them, and I'm using a conditioner. You could use any conditioner of your choice, and I am just finger detangling, and that's all that I really do to refresh these curls. I make sure to start from the bottom, detangle it, and then rinse it out. So I rinse that conditioner out, and then I'm just putting in a leave-in conditioner. If you want to do a curling cream, you can. If you want to do a gel, you can do that, but this only really needs a leave-in conditioner. And I'm just repeating the steps. So I'm taking the regular conditioner, finger detangling, and washing that out, and then putting some regular leave-in conditioner in, and that is it. And I do scrunch up the ends just because I want the ends to still be curly. So once I'm done with all of that, I just place all my clip-ins on a towel and let them air dry. And with my hair, I section it off into 3 sections, and I'm just gonna do 3 big twists. And I'm using the same leave-in conditioner on my hair that I used on the clip-ins. And I section my hair to where all of my hair will be covering the weft of the clip-in. So I do both sides of my part and then the back, just to make sure that everything is being covered. So I just let my hair dry and the clip-ins dry overnight, and this is the next morning. You see how much my hair shrunk up. So I am using all of the clip-ins that I had in the pack. You only need 1 pack for 1 full head of hair. And let me just say, I've had these clip-ins for almost a year, and they still look good. Like, I haven't had any problems with them. The wefts are still nice. These are my go-to. I wear them literally all the time, and everybody thinks they're my hair. So I'm not putting the clip-ins in any particular order. I'm just putting it in to where it matches the size of my head, and it's giving me the shape that I want. If you haven't tried out these clip-ins before, you should definitely check out CurlsCurls. Like I said, these are my go-to clip-ins. I absolutely love them so much. I do have a coupon code in my description box. Make sure that you check it out. And if you have tried these clip-ins before, let me know how they've worked out for you. Let me know how long have you had yours, and what are your favorite styles to do with your clip-ins. So now I'm just taking down my twist and trying to blend it in with my hair, making sure that I'm covering all the wefts at the top because I don't want those to show. So after I'm finished laying down my edges, I decided that I'm going to put a little bit of gel on my hair and then just smooth it out so that it blends a little bit better. What I should have did was like a shingling method or wash and go type on my hair, since that's what I did with the clip-ins. But whatever works best for your hair, do that. But I should have did the wash and go type of look on my hair. So this is actually the finished result. I have no complaints. Like I said, these clip-ins are almost a year old and I still wear them. I have no problems. I love how full it is, how it looks. Everybody thinks this is my hair. And yeah, just make sure you check out CurlsCurls. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching.